even know where to begin. Ay, ay, ay. With the hammering, a saw, a drill, building all the scaffolds up around the house. Finally, the transformation exterior of our house renovation reveal. Hi, I'm Dee and welcome to my channel. Let's start from the beginning, shall we? First things first, replacing this crazy 1970s looking front door. I know, after having no success finding the same size door anywhere, I had it custom made. I wanted to keep the extra wide entrance, especially for my mom's wheelchair, and I am so happy with the choice I chose. We also installed a wireless smart lock, which makes it very convenient. After the door installation and before we can even begin our restucco job, we had some contractors repair a few dry rot areas and the water leakage that actually was a main reason why we decided to finally get our home done. I mean, since already doing stuff, right? Might as well get your whole house restuccoed. I've been planning for this major renovation for so long. I was thrilled. It was finally happening. A dream finally coming true moment. Everything is installed. We're just waiting for the foam to cure around the window, and so far we like it. Then they're gonna put edging around the window, I guess. After the installation of windows, the main event of our house renovation begins. Contractors taking down old wood paneling and two very ugly accent structures in front of our front windows. A lot of noise and racket for sure. So that is what's going on. That is crazy. After the exterior repairs and takedowns are completed, our house gets a shower. I mean, pressure wash, that is. Look at all the paint coming off. House is coming along. They will now build the scaffolds and begin the first layer of 3, starting with the scratch coat. I met with the painter and they will begin to scrape off existing paint on all eaves and trimmings and begin to prep for painting, including the rain gutters and the color Swiss coffee. This has been a huge job to say the least, and I'm so happy I got to document it for us. We bought the awesome crew working for us lunch today. Welcome to our house under construction. She is?
She's underneath the grill table.
Aw. Got everything in a disarray. And Alley Cat is somewhere back over there. We're trying to feed her. Our backyard, honey. Oh my goodness. And we took out these hedges there. We stuccoed over cylinder or bricks in the brick chimney. And of course we got the new windows. We're getting the new door. That should be getting installed sometime next week. So this is like a primer. I don't know what it's called. But this is not the color.
Scratch coat.
It's a scratch coat. And then we're going to place the stucco on the top. And then we're painting everything all Swiss coffee. They did all the pressure wash. That's why you see it all funky like that. So they got done with all of that. And all of this just today. And the side of our house over there. These guys are like really working hard. Have a crew of 5. They got a lot done. It has been a little noisy. to say the least, with the hammering, a saw, a drill, building all the scaffolds up around the house. That was but they're moving along really at a really fast pace, and we're super excited. They did the front column just to show the sample of the color. Good morning. Check out. I can't look out. Construction is still going on. They placed all of these plastic coverings over the windows, so I can't see anything. I fed her inside. She'll go in, or it. I don't know if it's a he, she. It's a he, she. Fed it breakfast inside her little house. She'll go in, she'll eat it, but then she'll pop back out and she kind of eats and leaves. And her pillow's there. Alright guys, it's November 30th and it's about 8 o'clock right now. I have a crew of 5 and 6 men, and they are applying now the color of the stucco since the painters painted all of the trimming and rain gutters and everything else. So I have 6 guys, and they're stuccoing this wall first, and then they're going to be coming around here all the way upstairs, downstairs. Alright, I got the color stucco on. Got a bunch of people here. Checky. Oh, it's plastic. Hold on. Just don't touch it. Touched it last time. Uh-oh. Hope no one didn't fall. Wow. Painted all the... Oh, wow.
So they did all of that. They just haven't done this.
Wow. So they done all that. Oh, I wish the camera would get it, but ooh, it looks gorgeous. It's about 7:50 in the morning, and this is what I'm listening to. They're applying all the colored stucco in the back of this room now. I think they did that wall, but now they're doing that wall. You guys, this is the first time that I actually get to see out the window. Oh my goodness. Let there be light, man. Let there be light.
And they'll go right like that.
Oh yeah. and this is what we're doing. It is, let's see, what's today? Today is Tuesday. That's right. We are rebuilding another fence slash gate because the house is almost done. Today's Thursday. It is December 8th. Is it December 8th? Or is it December 9th? We had cut up the jasmine tree, and that's a pretty big bush, you know, that was in front of our chimney. I loved that jasmine tree. It smelled spectacular when it bloomed. Oh, I'm gonna miss that. It was like maybe about over 40 years old, and it started to do a little bit of damage to the bricks that are in front of it. So I made the wise decision to go ahead and get rid of it. Plus I really like how the back of it looks without it, to be honest, and I cannot wait to reveal all of that soon. So there's my big old jasmine plant. Yeah, we took that out. Once the stucco dried, my husband Jay reinstalled and upgraded our surveillance cameras, hiding all the cable coverings and painting it the same color as the stucco. Looks way better this way. Getting ready for the house number to be placed on the column. It's like a bronze color to match the porch light and mailbox. Isn't that pretty? One of the contractors suggested to paint this black as a contrast color. He painted it white, and then he showed me, I think it looks too much white going on with all the trimmings, so he painted it black, and I actually like it. No joke, you guys. So this is the new door right here. Looks nice, right? They still have to put the doorknobs, which I bought at Home Depot. Chose this door because it matches the front door with the panels. They're gonna paint this, but they still have to do all of the hardware on that. That's what they're doing today. I guess I better take this off. This is my temporary curtain. Hilarious. I cannot wait until everything is completely done. This is the end of it, and sorry for the video for being so long. Instead of having this window with all these diamonds, that was a pain in the butt, and one of them was broken or shattered. Look, this is going to be so much easier to clean. I really like the fine lines. They have to finish all of that today. Next up, the new laundry room door. So much better than the old door, right? They just have to do the outdoor trimming, and they're going to repaint the whole door. This is the aged bronze that I chose. The other door will also be matching. I like this window from the last window kind of concept because on the side here it has a nice breeze, and I just love it. So I can open up the window, which I really like. I just need to find some type of window covering for that. No doggy door, thank goodness. They placed the new black. It's coming along. But they need to do the trimming. Do you see that? I can do the trimming there, although they cracked. So I don't know what they're going to do with that. Here is the old door. And see what I mean by the diamonds and all that? The shatter. Oh my goodness. And then that there is the old laundry room door. It was a doggy door for our beloved bear. He was a half German Shepherd and half Husky. So that was kind of why we did that. But it was so ugly looking that a lot of times when I was doing the videos, I didn't want to show this part. But now I don't have to worry about it. These two ugly doors are the last part of the renovation. But it's so worth the wait. watch more of my home improvement videos here or my weekly vlogs here. Don't forget to click on subscribe, thumbs up, and comment. More to follow.